In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online for a flight Wizz Air. We'll walk through the process on the Wizz Air website so you know exactly where to go and what to click, and I'll share tips to make it smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to wizzair.com. The layout can change from time to time, but you're looking for the flights area on the homepage. Click on Flight to get started. Next, choose whether your journey is return or one-way. Match this to your actual travel plan so the system shows the right options. Now, type in your origin airport. Be precise and pick the correct city or airport code from the suggestions so you don't accidentally select the wrong departure point. Do the same for your destination, again confirming you've chosen the correct airport. Select your travel date from the calendar. If you're checking dates close to departure, keep in mind that online check-in typically opens ahead of time, so matching the exact date of your flight is important for any next steps. Then enter the number of passengers traveling. Make sure this reflects your actual party. If you're traveling with infants or children, ensure the count aligns with your booking so the site can display the right options. Click Search to see the available flights, take a moment to review the results, and find the specific flight that matches your plans. Select and click the flight that aligns with your itinerary. On some pages, you may be asked to reconfirm the date. If you see a date selector again, simply select the date that matches your travel. When you're ready, click Start Booking. This opens the path where you can proceed with the reservation details and, when the time window allows, move on to the check-in stage for your flight. At this point, you may see pricing options. Choose either the regular price or the Wizz Discount Club price, depending on your eligibility. Selecting the correct option ensures you're continuing under the right fare category. A couple of helpful tips before you proceed further. Have your booking reference and travel documents handy, as you'll likely need them later in the process. Double-check passenger names to match travel IDs, and remember that check-in timing can vary, so if you're doing this close to departure, complete it as soon as the window opens. If anything looks different on the website, the labels might have moved, but the flow remains the same. Go to wizzair.com, head to the flight section, set your trip details, search, select the correct flight and date, start the process, and confirm the appropriate price category. That's all you need to confidently navigate to the online flow and get ready for check-in with Wizz Air.